to me.
Hi guys, it's Lori from BrushFalls Studios. Today we're going to do another experiment. I have a 18 by 24 on canvas, already black. My husband is dancing in the background. Already black base coat. And have you ever seen those baby showers or wedding showers where they have the balloon arches? I'm going to do a balloon dip. So I'm going to do a balloon arch with baby shower colors in a balloon frame. So we'll see, an arch frame, I should say. Okay, I got it. All right, so I have a small bottle of, where am I at here, honey? I have a small bottle of white portable, and I'm going to create a arch on my, I have this laterally instead of horizontally this time. So I just want to trace an arch so I know where I'm going. It's a little short, but that's okay. And then I'm just going to do a balloon dip. I have 3 balloons here, all different sizes, and we're going to see what we can do here. I'm going to start on the top and work my way down. Okay, got my smallest balloon, and we're going to just put it on there. It's pretty. It's already bringing out cells. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So I'm just going to reverse the colors and just work myself down. And then we'll play with it. Okay, so we have the basic around the frame of it. And of course, a balloon frame for wedding showers don't look like this. You have to add more to it. So I'm just going to use the remainder of my paint here and just add accessory. No? Let's see how that looks. Oh, it's so pretty. Goodness. So I don't want my black showing that much. I mean, some of it's okay, but I don't want it. I want it to look a lot more. Let's just add a little more paint. That's how you fix something like that. Up here too. Thank you, baby. Okay. So you could say, it's a girl, or, happy graduation 2024. Right in the middle. You can, after you're done with this, you can do that. So anyways, I'm going to fix the some of the areas that dripped out, and you want this all to be black solids. So we're just going to fix a little bit of that. Or you can just pour it right on, whatever you feel. Happy birthday! Somebody would appreciate this. That's why I'm teaching you. So there's your arch. I would love to know what you guys think about this. This is just my mind trying to create things in my head about what to create with flow art. So I hope you enjoyed. Have a wonderful day. Much love. Bye.